7 bad effects of excess sugar to your body. Weight gain. Rates of obesity are rising worldwide, and added sugar, especially from sugar-sweetened beverages, is one of the main culprits. Sugar-sweetened drinks like sodas, juices, and sweet teas are loaded with fructose. Consuming fructose increases your hunger and desire for food more than glucose, the main type of sugar found in starchy foods. Also, excessive fructose consumption may cause resistance to leptin, an important hormone that regulates hunger and tells your body to stop eating. Also, drinking a lot of sugar-sweetened beverages is linked to an increased amount of visceral fat, a kind of deep belly fat associated with conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Increased risk of heart disease. High sugar diets have been associated with an increased risk of many diseases, including heart disease, which is the number one cause of death worldwide. Evidence suggests that high sugar diets can lead to obesity, inflammation, high triglyceride, blood sugar, and blood pressure levels, all risk factors for heart disease. Additionally, consuming too much sugar, especially from sugar-sweetened drinks, has been linked to atherosclerosis, a disease characterized by fatty, artery-clogging deposits. Can lead to fatty liver. A high intake of fructose has been consistently linked to an increased risk of fatty liver. Unlike glucose and other types of sugar, which are taken up by many cells throughout the body, fructose is almost exclusively broken down by the liver. In the liver, fructose is converted into energy or stored as glycogen. However, the liver can only store so much glycogen before excess amounts are turned into fat. Large amounts of added sugar in the form of fructose overload your liver, leading to a non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition characterized by excessive fat buildup in the liver. Increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Obesity, which is often caused by consuming too much sugar, is considered the strongest risk factor for diabetes. Also, prolonged high sugar consumption drives resistance to insulin, a hormone produced by pancreas that regulates blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance causes blood sugar levels to rise and strongly increases your risk of diabetes. Has been linked to acne. A diet high in refined carbs, including sugary foods and drinks, has been associated with a higher risk of developing acne. Foods with a high glycemic index, such as processed sweets, raise your blood sugar more rapidly than foods with a lower glycemic index. Sugary foods quickly spike blood sugar and insulin levels, causing increased androgen secretion, oil production, and inflammation, all of which play a role in acne development. May increase the risk of depression. While a healthy diet can help improve your mood, a diet high in added sugar and processed foods may increase your chances of developing depression. Consuming a lot of processed foods, including high sugar products such as cakes and sugary drinks, has been associated with a higher risk of depression. Researchers believe that blood sugar swings, neurotransmitter dysregulation, and inflammation may all be reasons for sugar's detrimental impact on health. A diet rich in added sugar and processed foods may increase your depression risk in both men and women. May accelerate the skin aging process. Wrinkles are a natural sign of aging. They appear eventually, regardless of your health. However, poor food choices can worsen wrinkles and speed the skin aging process. Advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, are compounds formed by reactions between sugar and protein in your body. They are suspected to play a key role in skin aging. Consuming a diet high in refined carbs and sugar leads to the production of AGEs, which may cause your skin to age prematurely. AGEs damage collagen and elastin, which are proteins that help the skin stretch and keep its youthful appearance. When collagen and elastin becomes damaged, the skin loses its firmness and begins to sag.